We have a 2000 Chevy Impala 3.8 liter. We've got a check engine light for a P0404, 405, and a P1404, all pointing to the EGR, exhaust recirculation valve. Going to go ahead and replace that valve today. Go ahead and take the entire neck here, just turn it, pull it out, lift up, pull forward. There's our EGR valve. Got two 13mm bolts on either side we're going to remove. Going to pull up on that, remove the electrical connector, and replace it with our new valve and new gasket. Old valve's off. We're going to go ahead and drop our new gasket in, slide our new valve down on there, plug it up, clear our codes, we'll be good to go.